Tired of those pesky YouTube ads interrupting your smart TV binge-watching sessions? Don't worry, I'm here to show you a few super simple tricks to skip those ads and get back to your favorite content. First, let's talk about the obvious, but often overlooked method. Always keep an eye out for that skip ad button. It usually pops up in the bottom right corner after 5 seconds. As soon as you see it, grab your remote and quickly navigate to that button and press select. Boom, ad skipped. What if there is no skip button? Sometimes advertisers are sneaky and make you watch the whole thing. But there is a trick for that too. Now, this next trick isn't a guaranteed success, but it works surprisingly often. When an ad is playing, look for the 3 vertical dots usually located on the side or corner of the screen. Select those dots and a menu should appear. You should see the report ad option. Select this. You'll then be given a few reasons for reporting the ad. Choose any reason, such as irrelevant or repetitive. After selecting a reason, you will be asked to confirm your decision. Usually, this skips the rest of the ad and takes you straight to your video. And there you have it, a couple of quick and easy ways to skip those annoying ads on your YouTube Smart TV. Enjoy Adfree Viewing. Remember to repeat these steps each time an unskippable ad comes on. Happy watching.